Welcome to Eatzandtravelz, and we are at Wingstop. Comment below, do you eat Wingstop? Again, watch this video. What is your order at Wingstop? My Wingstop order is garlic parmesan and lemon pepper. You're a ranch person or honey mustard? Again, I think Wingstop has the best ranch. Again, enjoy this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Do you eat the fries first or last? Let's see there, yes. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.
I was talking to him last night. Is that Jermaine O'Neal? I didn't know he was coaching. It's crazy, man. Where everything out here is changing so fast.
Wow.
Try it.
Yeah. It's good.
Oh, you want me to try it?
This is bueno. Es súper, man. Es bueno.
Bueno.
Es tú, para ti. The red or green?
Let's do a little bit, like a half a pound of the red.
Our attorney and and all of that stuff. I said, yeah. I said, yeah. When things like that happen, you. Yeah. So he called me. He called me last night, about 8 maybe, about 8 o'clock. I was 7:38. I was talking to him last night. Is that Jermaine O'Neal? I didn't know he was coaching. Crazy, man. Where everything out here is changing so fast.
Again, this is our Wingstop adventures. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Watch the video all the way through. Comment below. Are you a Wingstop person? What is your favorite dipping sauce at Wingstop? Again, there we go. Enjoy the video.
Happy birthday to Demi. Happy birthday to Demi. Happy birthday, dear Demi. Happy birthday to Demi.
Yay!
Yay! Happy birthday to Demi. Happy birthday. Okay, you done?